Hello children and welcome to your channel Sharda Educare. This is part 2 of problem set 5 from coordinate geometry children, and we will be learning from question number 6 of problem set. Question number 6 says find the distance between the following points, the points which are given on the board A and B. Now, if you want to find out the distance between 2 points, definitely you need to use the distance formula. So, by distance formula children, so AB is equal to, let me mention it, x1 y1 and x2 y2. So, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, and x2 is 0 minus a the whole square plus y2 is a minus 0 the whole square. What are we getting? We are getting minus a the whole square plus a the whole square, which is equal to minus a the whole square is a square plus a square. So, it is 2 times a square under the root. Now, which is square will come out of the root and it will be a under the root 2. So, what is the distance between AB? Distance between the point AB is a root 2. You can pause and you can solve the sum. Sub question 2 of 6th, again distance between P and Q. So, by distance formula children, now this will be x1 y1, this one will be x2 and y2. By distance formula, PQ is equal to under the root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square under the root. What is x2? Minus 1 minus x1 minus 6 and the square bracket whole square plus y2 9 minus y1 again minus 3 the whole square, which is equal to under the root minus 1 minus plus 6 the whole square plus 9 minus plus 3 the whole square. Minus 1 and plus 6 will be 5 the whole square plus 9 plus 3 will be 12 the whole square, which will be 25 plus 144, and if I add 25 and 144 it will be 169 children. See, 144 and 25, 9, 6, 169. So, PQ will be equal to under the root 169, which is equal to 13 into 13 under the root. So, PQ is equal to 13 units. If units are not given, you should mention it. In earlier sum I have not mentioned, try to mention it. Sub question 3 of 6th, find the distance between the 2 points, that is R and S, by distance formula children. So, RS is equal to under the root x1 y1 x2 y2, therefore x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is equal to x2 is a minus x1 minus 3a the whole square plus y2 is minus 2a minus y1 is a the whole square. So, under the root now a minus will become plus a plus 3a the whole square children, minus will be both added, that is minus 3a the whole square 2a minus 1a is minus 3a, and a plus 3a will be 4a the whole square plus minus 3a the whole square is 9a square, minus 3 square is 9a square. Now 4a square can be written as under the root 16a square plus 9a square. Both are like terms, so we can add them. 16 and 9 will be 25, and that is a square. Now square root of 25 is 5 and square root of a is a. So RS is equal to 5a unit. You can pause the video and you can solve the sum. Question number 7 of problem set children. The sum says find the circumcenter of a triangle. There is a circumcenter means the vertices of the triangle lie on the circle. Did you get? The vertices of the triangle lie on the center, and you need to find out the circumcenter. Suppose this is A comma B, and this is A, this is B, and this is C. A is let us take minus 3 comma 1, and B is 0 comma minus 2, and C is 1 comma 3. Let us take it as x y, x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. Okay, and circumcenter, if you are here, it is with from the circumcenter to one of the vertex will be the radius, and this is how we can draw the circle. Then only the vertices will lie on the circle of this, or will lie on the circle. So what is this? This is point O. Let us say that point is O. The circumcenter, let circumcenter be O. O, and all these points are A, B and C. Their coordinates x, y, x1, y1, x2, y2. Now if you need to find out the coordinate of this point, then this distance can help you comparatively with this distance to find this. Now we know if O is the circumcenter, then OA will be equal to OB will be equal to OC. And why? Because they are radii of the circle. So we will compare 2 times the distance by using distance formula, and we will try to get 2 simultaneous equations, and then we can get the value of A and B. Okay, let us see. First I will take OA equal to OB by using distance formula, and get one of the simultaneous equation. So OA, OB, OA, if I want to take the distance OA, it will be by distance formula this minus this the whole square plus this minus this the whole square. Directly we can use. Now OA under the root A minus 3 the whole square plus B minus 1 the whole square is equal to OB. A minus 0 the whole square plus B minus 2 the whole square. A minus will become plus. Squaring both the side, root will go. Let us write squaring both the side. Root is going to go. So A plus 3 the whole square plus b minus 1 the whole square is equal to a square plus b plus 2 the whole square. Now a plus b the whole square formula we will use here. A square plus 2 into a into b means 3 plus 3 square plus a minus b the whole square, b square minus 2 into b into 1 plus 1 square is equal to a square plus again a plus b the whole square, b square plus 2 into a into b na, so 2 into b into 2 plus 2 square. Okay, now a square plus 2 3s are 6a plus 9 plus b square minus 2b plus 1 equal to a square plus b square plus 4b plus 2 to the 4b plus 4. Now what is this side and this side? If they are same, you can cancel. A square can cancel with a square. B square will cancel with b square. Now left is what? 6a plus 9 minus 2b. Now I will this 9 2b. So write it here, 6a minus 2b, and this 4b will come here, it will become minus 4b because it is plus, 10 will go there, already 4 is there, minus 10, so 6a minus 6b, 6a, this is both minus, so they will be added, 6b is equal to minus 6. So here children, if I divide this equation by 6, I'll be getting a minus b is equal to minus 1. This is your first equation. So let me write it here, a minus b is equal to minus 1, the first equation. Now I will try to get another equation. First I have compared OA equal to OB. Now I will compare OA equal to OC. And that would be by distance formula only. Let me rub it. Now first I have taken OA equal to OB, now I will take OA equal to OC. Okay, second time by distance formula to get simultaneous equation. Under the root OA, what is OA? A minus this. A minus minus 3 the whole square plus b minus 1 the whole square equal to under the root OC. OC is this a minus 1 the whole square. So that would be a minus 1 the whole square plus b minus 3 the whole square. Now squaring both the side as we did before. Squaring both sides. What we will be getting? A plus 3 the whole square plus b minus 1 the whole square is equal to a minus 1 the whole square plus b minus 3 the whole square. Now you will use a plus x plus y the whole square and x minus y the whole square formula. A plus 3 the whole square is a square plus 2 into a into 3 plus 3 square. This is a plus b the whole square. See, x plus y the whole square. X plus y the whole square formula is what? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay. So x means this square. Then plus 2 into x into y plus y square. So here a square plus 2 into a into this plus 3 square plus b minus 1. That is x minus y the whole square formula. X square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay. So what are we getting here, children? B square minus 2 into b into 1 plus 1 the whole square is equal to, now a minus 1 the whole square, a square minus 2 into a into 1 plus 1 square plus b minus 3 the whole square, b minus 3 the whole square plus b square minus 2 into b into 3 plus 3 the whole square. Now something will get cancelled, that is a square and a square, b square and b square. They have the same sign, na? And they are on either side of the equal. Therefore they will get cancelled. So 2 3s are 6a plus 9. This is over, this is over. 2b minus 2b plus 1 is equal to minus 2a plus 1 minus 6b plus 9. Now plus 1 will also get cancelled, children. So 6a, all like term will come together. 6a and minus 2a, 6a plus 2a minus 2b and plus 6b, because 6b I am bringing this side, so it will become plus 6b, and numbers I will bring that side, is equal to, so I have taken 6b also, 1 cancel, 2a I took this side, 9 is here, and this 9 I am shifting this side. So even 9 is getting cancelled, children, see. Okay, and minus 2a I shifted here, which became plus 2a, minus 2b is there here, minus 6b I shifted here, it became 6b, 6a is there, 6a plus 2a is 8a, minus 2b plus 6b will be plus 4b is equal to 0. Because see, 9 and 9 got cancelled, no numbers are there this side. 8a plus 4b is equal to 0. So we can write, let me rub this, 8a plus 4b is equal to 0. I can take 4 common. 4 2s are plus b is equal to 0. You understood now? I have taken 4 common. 4 2s are 8a, 4 1s are 4b. So what is come? Now 4 will go down and you are left with 2a plus b is equal to 0. This is your second equation. Now let me write here second equation. 2a plus b is equal to 0 is my second equation. Now I will be solving these two simultaneous equation. Let me rub this. You can pause and you can solve, children. A minus b is equal to minus 1. 2a plus b is equal to 0. First and second equation. These two are opposite sign and same value, so they get cancelled, and you are left with 3a is equal to minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1 upon 3. A value you got minus 1 upon 3. Now this equations we have operated, children, operating 1 and 2. Operating 1 and 2. And therefore minus b plus b got cancelled. 2a plus a. Sign is here plus, here is plus, so they will be added. 3a is equal to minus 1. A will be minus 1 upon 3. Now place the value. Placing value of a in equation, whichever equation you want. Let us place it in equation 1. So a value, this is my equation 1 minus 1. In a place of a, I will be writing a value. So minus 1 upon 3 minus b is equal to minus 1. Let us shift it here. So we get minus b equal to minus 1, and this I am taking that side. So it will be plus 1 upon 3 minus b, 3 1s are minus 3 plus 1 upon 3, which is equal to minus b, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 upon 3. So minus b is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Minus minus get cancelled. So b value is 2 upon 3. So we got the coordinate. A coordinate we got minus 1 upon 3, and B coordinate we got 2 upon 3. So we got the coordinate of the circumcenter, that is minus 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. You can pause, rewind, and you can solve the sum, children. Eighth sum from problem set 5. This eighth sum says, in the following example, can segment joining these three points form a triangle? There are point L, M, N with the coordinate. So if you join them, there will be segment form. So can those segment form a triangle? We want to check. And if it forms a triangle, what kind of triangle it forms? Whether it forms an isosceles triangle or it forms a scalene triangle. So we have to rectify. Let us see. So if it is asked that can these points form a triangle, so LM we should find out, MN we should find out, LN we should find out. So what formula we will be using here? Distance formula, children. So by distance formula. So by distance formula, LM is equal to L and M. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. So now when I want to find out the distance between L and M, I have to consider these points. So x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is equal to x2 is what? Minus 5 minus x1 is 6 the whole square plus y2 is minus 3 minus 4 the whole square. So what I am getting? Minus plus 5 minus 11 the whole square plus minus 7 the whole square, which is equal to 121 plus 49, because minus 11 is 121, minus 7 is 49. That would be adding up to 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 3 plus 4 7 and 170. So LM we got as 170. Let us find MN. Let me use it here only by distance formula. Now which point I am dealing with? M and N. x3 minus x2, children. Now x3 minus x2 the whole square plus y3 minus y2 the whole square. Now place the values of x3. x3 is minus 6 minus x2 and the square bracket whole square plus y3. y3 is 8 minus y2, that is minus 3 the whole square. Now minus will become plus. So Mn is equal to under the root minus 6 plus 5 the whole square plus 8 plus 3 the whole square, 8 plus 3 the whole square. See children, minus will become plus. So what are we getting here now? Under the root, one is minus, one is plus, so there will be subtraction. Minus 1 the whole square, sign of greater number, plus 8 and 3 is 11. So 11 the whole square, which is equal to 1 plus 121, that would be 122 under the root. So Mn we got 122. Mn is equal to under the root 122. So this we got Mn, and here we got LM. LM also we got. Now we want to find out Ln. So Ln again by under distance formula. Ln x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1 the whole square plus y3 minus y1 the whole square. So under the root x3 is minus 6 minus x1 is minus 6 the whole square. See, x3 is minus 6 children, and this minus, and then x1 is 6 plus y3 is 8 minus y1 is 4 the whole square. Now which is equal to, so ln is equal to now under the root minus 6 is minus 12 the whole square plus 4 the whole square. So minus 12 is 144 plus 16, which is equal to 144 and 16 will be 10 by 6, 160. So it would be under the root 160. So children, now see, this is 170, this is 122, and this is 160. So which, for any three distance to prove a triangle, the sum of the two distance should be greater than the third distance. Okay, sum of the two distance should be greater than the third distance. So let me add two distances and check what is the value by adding the two length. Children, see, this is 170 largest distance, this is, and this is. Out of all these three length, the largest one is 170. Okay, so let me add this to smaller length. So mn plus ln, if I add, I am going to get 122 plus 160, but it is not easy for me to add. They are not under the root same number, so I cannot add them. What can I do, you know? I can eliminate the square root by squaring both the side. So if I will square this and square this, suppose I am squaring lm. So after squaring lm is under root 170. If I square lm, I am getting lm square, which is equal to 170. Okay, let me check what do I get after squaring them. So mn plus ln is equal to under root 122 plus under root 160, and I want to square both the sides, so I am squaring. So when I am squaring it, I have to use here a plus b the whole square formula. A plus b the whole square means, let me write it here, a plus b the whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a here? 122. So under root 122 the whole square plus 2 into under root 122 into under root 160 plus under root 160 the whole square. Let me continue here, children. Let me rub it. What am I getting? Mn plus ln the whole square, I am getting 122 plus 2 into 122 into 160 plus 160. If I add both, what I am getting? 122 plus 160 will be 282. This plus this will give me 282 plus 2 into 122 into 160. Means when I am adding them, only after adding them I am getting 282. Whereas lm I am getting, lm square I am having 170. See, lm square I am having 170. Now you will say, why did I do the square? I did the square of this and this because it was easy to find out to eliminate square root. I could easily eliminate square root and I could get the value. So after squaring I am getting 170. So when I squared I got 170. And if you go to see mn value, mn plus ln value is more than lm. If you compare this statement and this statement, see this is 282, mn plus ln square is 282 plus some value, and here lm is 170. That means lm value is less than sum of these two values. So it is what? Therefore it is a triangle. Therefore it forms a triangle. Now it forms a triangle. So what kind of triangle it forms? If you go to see, lm is not equal to mn is not equal to ln. All the three sides are not equal to one another. If all three sides are not equal to one another, what kind of triangle it is? It will be a scalene triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? See, lm is not equal to mn is not equal to ln. lm is how much? Under root 170. ln is how much? Under root 160. And mn is how much? Under root 122. So they all are not equal to one another. If they are not equal to one another, then it is which kind of triangle? It is a scalene triangle. And how you told? How can we define or how can we say that it is forming a triangle? Because when I added these two sides, the value which I got, that value is more than the third value, the third length. 282. It is 170, it is 282 plus something. So it is of course greater than this. And if the sum of two length is greater than the third length, then it will form a triangle. These 3 points will form the triangle. And what kind of triangle it will form? It will form a scalene triangle. Why scalene? Because all sides length are not equal. Question number 8 from problem set 5, children. We have got 3 coordinates, that is P, Q and R, and we want to see whether a triangle is formed or not. And if the triangle is formed, or what kind of triangle is formed. See, in the previous sum also I have explained you. Let us have a discussion of this. Suppose if I find PQ length and then I have to find QR and then I have to find PR. Out of all these lengths, I have to consider the largest length and I have to add other two lengths, and those other two lengths should be greater than the largest length which I have got. Okay, how it can be? Suppose I have a side which is of 5 centimeter, for example, and other two side I get one is 3 centimeter and one is 1 centimeter, and if I keep on them, there is a still gap left. Means if I keep 3 centimeter side here, and if this is 3 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter, it is still having a gap here. Okay, but if this would be 3 centimeter and this would be also 3 centimeter, and if I keep them on this line, they will not completely cover this line, but they will be little bit raised like this, and that constitute a triangle. Okay, because the length, sum of their length is greater than this. For example, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 and 6 is greater than 5, and therefore it will form a triangle. Clear? So when sum of two side is greater than the largest side which we got is forming a triangle. Let us see which is the largest side and which kind of triangle does it form. So find out PQ. Of course, distance if I want to find out, I will be finding by the distance formula, children. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. Now I am finding PQ, therefore x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now what will I get after placing the value? x2 is minus 4 minus x1 is minus 2 square bracket, children, plus y2 is minus 2 then minus and then y1, that is minus 6 the whole square. What I am getting here now? Minus 4 minus minus plus 2 the whole square plus minus 2 plus 6 the whole square, because see, minus minus will become plus. Now minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2 the whole square plus minus 2 plus 6 would be 4 the whole square. Now minus 2 the whole square will be 4 under the root and plus 4 the whole square would be 6, that would be under root 20. So we got PQ as under root 20. PQ is equal to under root 20. Now let us find out QR. Under root. QR is x3 minus x2 the whole square plus y3 minus y2 the whole square. Now x3 is what? Minus 5 and minus x2, that is minus 4 the whole square plus y3 is 0 minus minus 2, 0 minus minus 2 and square bracket. So minus 5 minus minus plus 4 the whole square minus minus plus 2 the whole square, which will give you minus 1 the whole square plus 2 the whole square will be 4, that would be under root 5. QR. Now let us find out PR. P and R. x3 minus x1 the whole square plus y3 minus y1 the whole square. So let me write here QR as under root 5. Now children, we will find the distance PR. PR is equal to, we have already done PR x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1. Now place the value. x3 is minus 5 minus x1 minus 2 the whole square plus y3 is 0 minus this minus and then y1 minus 6 the whole square. Now minus 5 minus minus plus 2 the whole square plus minus minus plus 6 the whole square. Now minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 the whole square plus 6 the whole square, which is equal to 9 plus 36. So it will be 45 under root 45. Now compare the distances between. PR is under root 45. Now children, you see PR distance is the largest distance of these two. If I want to write down this, 15 threes are 45, 3 5s are 15 into 3, 2 times 3 is there, we can bring it out 3 root 5. So PR is 3 root 5 and QR is root 5, see. And PQ, let us check PQ, root 20. that is 4 5s are 20. 4 means 2 root 5. So PQ is 2 root 5. Children, see here now. Let me rub this. See, PQ is 2 root 5 and PR is 3 root 5. This is PR, na? PR is 3 root 5, PQ is 2 root 5 and QR is root 5. Now which is the largest one? PR is the largest one. Okay. Now those two smaller distance we must add and check whether they are greater than PR or not. Let me add PQ plus QR. PQ and QR are smaller than this. So PQ is 2 root 5. QR is root 5, which is equal to 3 root 5. That means PQ plus QR we are getting equal to PR. So when I can say PQ plus QR is equal to PR from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we can say. So are they forming a triangle? No, they will not form a triangle because sum of the two distance is equal to the third distance. Then they do not form the triangle, but the point lie in one line. We have done this concept. So suppose PR is, this is P and this is R and PR is 3 root 5 and I keep the line 2 root 5 here, 2 root 5, it will be somewhere here and somewhere here and QR root 5. So they are exactly coinciding one another because the length of PQ plus QR is 3 root 5, which is equal to PR. So they completely coincide one another. If this gap would be more than this, their sum would be more than this, then what would have happened? If PR would be like this, then when I am keeping the PQ and QR, they would overlap one another. And just to touch these vertices, its vertices and its vertices, I have to raise this stick. Suppose if I am keeping one stick here, I have to raise. This should be raised. Then only both the point will touch each other. And in case they will form a triangle. Okay. So here there is no formation of a triangle. Fine. So what happens? The point P, Q and R are collinear, but they are not forming a triangle and not forming triangle.